Welcome to Porinetia Travel. Porinetia Travel is a travel agency specialized in group travel for destinations like the South Pacific Islands. We are a certified Tahiti specialist travel agency, group travel specialist, and honeymoon destination specialist. We've been organizing multiple trips to Tahiti and all the other islands of the South Pacific for groups. One of the most popular trips that we organize are the cultural events trips. In Tahiti, multiple private organizations and government institutions organize cultural events focused on the Ori Tahiti. The Ori Tahiti is the traditional Tahitian dance. It is a good opportunity for all the dance groups from all over the world to travel to Tahiti so they can exchange, they can learn, they can perform, and they can compete during those events. Most popular Ori Tahiti events happen all year long. We have in March, April, the Heiva International. In July, we have the Heiva i Tahiti and the Wharereira i Tahiti. We have in November and December the Hura Tapairu, the Hura Tapairu Manihini, and the Ori Teiti Nui competition. And there are so many other events that people can attend. Another popular trips that we organize are the linguistic trips. We organize linguistic trips for students from all over the nation. They go to Tahiti to learn how to speak French or Tahitian. They get to learn, practice, or perfect the language. We've been working in partnership with a great French school called Horizon Francophone, based and located in the city of Papeete in Tahiti Island. And of course, all year long, we organize vacation trips for any type of groups, whether it's to celebrate a special event or to go on vacation and relax. We can organize that for families, for friends, or for a group of colleagues from work. This is also our specialty. We customize itineraries for you. Whatever you need, we can handle that for you. We handle groups of every size from 10 travelers and more. We organize and customize itineraries for you. So if you are interested to travel in the South Pacific Islands, please contact us. We'll be happy to take care of you. Feel free to look at our page. We put all the information that you need to have. And if you have any question, contact us at reservation@porinetia.com. We'll be happy to help you and answer your questions. Maruru!